groggy and reluctant to take action or try new things? You may think that you need to be more active or need motivation. But that is not the truth. Check out this custom Qigong routine. Horizontal turning head 10 times. Swinging arms 2 minutes. Lifting shoulders 20 times. Forward bending 2 times. Qi showering 5 times. Practice this routine twice a day for a week, and you will notice a change in you. If you can stick to that routine daily, you will become a happy person full of vitality. What are the benefits of this custom routine? It can release stress, relax the body and mind, eliminate the blockages in the spine, activate the stagnant qi, and replenish qi and energy. To copy this routine, use the code on the screen and paste it into Onenergy Qigong app. By practicing this routine daily, you will notice a significant improvement in your energy level.